Out. Out.
Không đào tay. Không có được xấu.
No.
Đàn ông xấu, đàn ông police xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Không có được làm dơ đâu đâu. Không có được lấy cái làm rách mấy cái.
On March 31st, 2023, police in Liberty spotted a vehicle moving unusually slowly along the road. When officers activated their lights to initiate a traffic stop, the driver, an Asian woman, pulled to the side, then suddenly drove off again. A pursuit began, but unlike most police chases, the woman never exceeded 20 miles per hour. She obeyed traffic lights, stayed in her lane, and followed the rules of the road, except for one. She refused to stop. After more than 10 minutes of cautious pursuit, officers boxed her in at the intersection of Burbank and Highland. They ordered her to turn off the engine, but she remained motionless, unresponsive. Ultimately, officers were forced to smash the driver's window and pull her from the vehicle. The woman resisted fiercely, shouting as she was handcuffed. When police contacted her husband, he revealed the underlying issue. His wife suffers from mental illness, has repeatedly taken car keys and driven off aimlessly, despite her driver's license expiring back in 2010.
That's clear, dispatch. We're going about 20 miles an hour northbound on Beaver, passing Knoll.
Bowman and Beaver. He stopped routing.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
He's taking off again. They're continuing. Direction. Northbound Beaver. 15 negative, Mike.
15 dispatch, we're northbound, female driver, Asian. It's clear, we're just coming up to the point now. She's still obeying the traffic lights, she just won't stop. Yeah, I mean, we could probably spike it. We're northbound on Burbank. Passing the 1500 block. Westbound Highland. Driver, show me your hands!
Out of the car. Out of the car.
She's still got... Put the car in park! Put the car in park! Put the car in park! Now!
Cái gì? Muốn cái gì của tôi?
Car in park!
Muốn cái what the heck cái gì? Tôi đâu có tiền.
Car in park!
Tiền hả? Tiền chưa có đi làm. Ta chưa cho có tiền.
There's a lot of glass. Hold on just a second.
Tôi phải có tiền nữa nè. Tôi cũng phải cần có tiền để tôi mua ba cái đồ xài. Sao mày đập bể xe vậy?
Get up. Out. Out. Out.
Không đào tay. Không có được xấu.
No.
Đàn ông xấu, đàn ông xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Đàn ông police xấu. Không có được làm dơ đâu đâu. Không có được lấy cái làm rách mấy cái lâm nữa. Tay.
She's got lots of marks all over. I don't know if that was from the glass or not.
Cho bất là không phải đừng có chung đụng nữa. Tôi tự tách khe. Mai tự tách khe mai ok. Made it also means very okay. Không lấy cái đồ đó ra.
We'll just go ahead and search her here.
Đồ đó đồ đẹp. Đồ đẹp. Tất cả là đồ đẹp thôi hả?
We'll cut it.
Yeah.
Đồ đẹp nó sạch không? Không có phải sơn. Đừng có làm hơi của đồ mới rồi.
Stop.
Không có làm thêm sắc mới.
Stop.
Nữa. không có làm quay mày mới của giò nữa.
Okay, she's
Đừng có
gripped
làm
on
quay
it.
đó. Thôi cái đó hả? No, không thêm quay.
Let go.
No thêm sách. No, không thêm sách nữa.
Look,
Không cho sách.
you're doing things the hard way, just so you
Rất là
know.
trong xe. Tôi kêu tôi phải bị đem
Yeah, good
kêu
idea.
mấy cái đồ chớn ra nữa. Đổi thêm mới quay à? Không.
She got anything in that pocket? I did not check.
You believe xấu. Làm gì xấu rồi? Không có làm đúng cái
She's clear.
của người ngoài
Okay.
đời hết trơn á.
Get her in a cruiser.
I don't know what her
Clear
deal
this.
is. I
This
have
is
no
her
idea.
deal.
Ông mót thằng bà hả?
She just
Ông muốn
does
tao
this.
làm mai
Is she-
gái tụi bay hả?
she
Tao
get
làm mẹ tụi bay
intoxicated?
đâu. Tao không làm model của mày đâu mà tao phải kiếm vợ cho mày. Tao kiếm con đĩ thằng bà nào tao mó là dòm gì cho bay hả? Đủ mẹ tao còn chưa có thằng ông nào lên
Let's put her in back.
Yeah.
cho mình vừa nữa. Đó. Chồng chứ quên, thằng chồng chứ quên, mình nói chồng chứ quên. Không phải đàn ông mà nói chồng.
We'll put her other side if we can.
Tôi nói chồng cho tôi, chồng của tôi. Chồng của tôi là không có phải đàn bà.
Get in.
Chồng của
Take a seat.
của đàn bà, chồng lên.
See,
As the car was towed away, the woman sat silent in handcuffs. No screams, no explanations, only a vacant stare. A minor incident. Yet it revealed the tragedy of countless people struggling with mental illness out there. The law can stop a moving car, but can it ever stop the turmoil within a human mind?
Đưa đây cho me. Please. Cái đó my personality.
41. We cancel 99 or we want to go back. Code for Claire. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Your wife is my van, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we need. I could probably give you a ride if you have no one else here to give you a ride. She currently just got arrested. She's stopped at Burbank and Highland right now. If you need a ride, I could give you a ride to come get the car, or else they're going to tow it. They were in a pursuit with her. She's arrested right now. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know all the details. I wasn't in it, but that's what I know. And we're just before we tow the vehicle, I came up here to try and stop and get you since I was around the corner to see if you'd
Is
want
she
to.
still at the car, or she already?
I know she's in handcuffs. As far as I know, she's still on scene and hasn't been taken to jail yet. But I imagine, that's where she will be going.
Okay.
If you would like, I can give you a ride unless you have someone else that's with you.
Yeah. Can you give me a ride out there?
Yeah, I can give you a ride. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'll be right out.
My name đó. Cái mấy cái đó là hạt cát của my name không à. Không có người khác nào có sử dụng được đâu. Đúng name của mình đó mình mới phải giữ trên trong hand của mình. Đi bất cứ nơi đây anywhere. Somebody hạt cát của tên mi đó để cho mình cần dùng mấy cái đồ dùng á.
what are you gonna do?
Yep, wouldn't stop. Your gloves are tagging. She's known to do that. Yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do? I figured rather than play this game, I just stopped her at 30 and 41.
I tried.
41. I'll be giving her husband a ride. God. If I was him, he'll probably need a blanket. He's got a broken window now. Okay. I don't know how many times we've had to do that.
Well, yeah, she's known for that. Do you want to pull this around the corner?
He's supposed to be on his way, so
Okay.
we'll bring him here and just let him take it home.
Đưa cái mi sơ kia. Đưa cho mi cái personality của mi. Cái sớm mấy cái đồ đó là của riêng, không có dính không có được cho cái người khác được. Cái khăn cái quần slip của tôi là tôi phải bận.
I figured there's no point in spiking it because she'll just drive on them rims all the way home.
Did she hit you, or did she stop?
No, she stopped. That's not in policy, but this is a special circumstance. I knew she wouldn't stop.
Sir, you may want, before you shut the door, you may want to bring a blanket. Sounds like they busted out the window and there's going to be glass. So if you have a blanket or some thick padding you could put down to sit, on that, just so you're aware, sir. Just so you don't sit on glass and cut yourself. Okay?
See if there's any alcohol or anything in the car.
So obviously the pursuit failure to stop and stuff. License is expired since 2010.
Yeah, she hasn't had it in a while.
Yeah.
I don't know why she still gets a car.
Probably just take her down. Take her down to the county. Book her in.
I don't know if she usually drinks or
I don't
not.
think
She is.
She's just
They're eating
out
it.
of it. Never cooperates.
Well, I remember Rob smashed her window like last summer or the summer before.
Yeah, I think it's just
She ran into Maurice's car.
I think she's just out there. Yeah, I've never known if she's been a drinker or not.
I didn't smell any alcohol.
She's just 74. I thought she was gonna take off again. I'm like, oh, here we go.
Well, I positioned angled in front of her down at Bowman and Beaver. She went around the block basically, and well, around a few blocks. But yeah, she just I still gave her an out, and she took it. I was surprised.
And then you probably just put it in. That might be his husband now.
Oh, that'll work. Yep, he's in too.
All right.
Never mind then. I'll get some pictures. Yeah.
She's not under the arrest warrant or anything, is she?
Yeah, actually, they just took her to jail. Yes, she is under arrest, sir.
For what? The warrant? There's a warrant or?
No, they were in a pursuit with her.
Oh, okay.
As to why they had to stop her right here like this.
You go ahead and take the car. She doesn't have a license. How is she still getting cars? Does she have access to the keys to these cars? Then?
Yeah. She hide the key.
She hides the key?
Yeah.
Great. Well, if the key's still in it, I would hide that one.
Okay.
And keep the keys out of her reach, because this keeps happening with her. Past. So.
You know. When I keep the key, I put a brake on the car. She's going to destroy my car.
Oh, really?
She's a mentally ill.
Yeah, I know.
That's the problem. I just couldn't tell her, stop driving, but
I get
she's
it.
getting crazy, and sometimes she's going to stop me as well. That's
The woman was arrested and charged with the 2 offenses mentioned above, then transferred to the county jail for processing. Afterward, the local court reviewed her medical records. In such cases, the court usually orders a mental health evaluation, and if the person is found to have a mental illness, they are diverted to a mental health court, a specialized court handling cases involving mental disorders. Typical penalties include short-term detention, long-term suspension of driving privileges, mandatory treatment or medical supervision,